Western Paradise.
So they are not an outing.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yo, ready yun, pesting yawa.
Can you
3.
mark pasting yawa, bro?
Wait,
I
def.
think it's the color.
I don't think they have one.
Boss Mark, basta mo call ko ha. Balo na ka, basta isa ra. Yo, they're gonna look soon, okay? Hold.
Yeah,
Western Paradise is inside South Road.
Come easy,
Yes, sir.
Nuli ako din sa Paradise.
Western Paradise inside.
Come easy, hold. Guys, trigger if you die, okay? Trigger if you die.
Nuli ako.
Hold.
Only some Paradise inside.
Hold. Where they at? I need one guy on Western Paradise. Hold.
Ede.
Q and W.
They see you second gate.
Okay.
Gusto mo fake ko sa high
Yo, come northwest. 5,
Quick.
4, 3, 2, northwest. Okay, come southeast. Get it there. Come southeast. Hold. Q and W inside. Hammer. Get it front, okay? Get it front. Def. Hammer now. Hammer. Hammer.
10-16 yo.
Yo, why do I have like one hammer only? Like why no one hammering? On me, 5. Wait.
Pull down na.
Yo, do not stuck on the gate. If you're not hammering, do not stuck on the gate.
I'm resetting.
Where's Western Paradise right now? Tell me if they flank, okay?
Last scene Southwest side na.
Yo, on this guy, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Sugaya, makakuan sa buwang eh. Makapull eh.
W ano mo?
I can cover
Oh,
southwest if you want.
Def. Heal. Hammer now. Yo, I need someone watching Western Paradise for me, please.
Yes, they west.
Tell me if you guys are ready. Okay? Yo, I need Ditang hammering small gate. Can someone? Take space on the southeast.
Need to reset.
Yo,
Yo.
I need Ditang backline, okay? I need Ditang on the block, okay?
Western
Puto.
Def.
They just break the gate. Western part.
We gonna kite east side after this, okay?
Pull down pa.
Come east side now. Yo, I need Ditang hammering the small gate, okay? Hammering the small gate.
Yes.
Go. Hold here. Tell me what they're doing. Hold. I need some Ditang hammering the gate, small gate. Healer and defensive, stay with them, okay? The gate, small gate northwest. Small gate on the north.
Nice.
Yo, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Yeah, just hammer. Hold here, guys, okay? I'm gonna hammer. Do not go there. Only Ditang ko is hammering. Only Ditang. Hammer.
100%.
Okay. Come back. Come
Western near west na.
How many DA Western Paradise?
17 DA.
Last
17.
night.
17.
Come southwest.
Point of view. Northwest. They
Okay, get ready northwest over the wall, okay? Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boss Mark, where the fuck are you? Come southeast.
Sorry.
Waiting na namin Western Paradise mag-push ka.
Southwest pa din ah. Western. West mo pa din. Inching ah.
Yo, help. Come east side. Come southeast. We kite southeast. Come southeast. Yo, southeast on me ready. Kill this guy. Come. Tell me what they're doing, okay? Come southwest. Tell me what they're doing. Let's force them to push.
Do you wanna flank them? I can go
Yeah.
in first. Okay.
Yeah. Come southwest.
Western...
Ah.
Not on the castle. Western not on
Nato
the
the
castle.
Are they go?
Yeah,
Outside.
Stay in first gate.
They're going inside.
Going inside.
Inside.
Come northwest. Come inside.
Oh my god, they're so... What the fuck?
Come northeast.
They cannot go out now.
Come northeast. Ditang, CC them. Walk in. On side, inside.
They're going in.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Go back southwest. Go back northwest. Yo, cleanses. Come northwest.
You don't loop us.
Don't hug the wall. Yo, def. Don't hug the wall.
Western Paradise
Hold,
back.
hold,
Coming.
hold,
Coming.
hold, hold,
On
hold,
screen, on
hold.
screen.
Okay, hold. Okay, we're gonna look on Paradise. Okay, hold. Yo, heal.
Those is dangerous, I think.
Yeah, it's fine. Hold now. We hold here. This is the
They are
content
playing
that I
so
like.
fast.
Yeah.
Wipe siguro ang Reset Paradise una loads.
Yep.
Somebody look those Beast Duck, please.
I need someone watching
Marking
Beanstalk on the
Marking police.
north side, okay? I'm gonna full push western, okay?
Bring
Ready,
back,
Doc?
bring
back.
Okay, push now. I need watching. Yo, push them. I need someone watching Beanstalk. Push them. Look at the gate southeast. Everything southeast. Fake now. It's okay. Full push them. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full wipe this now. Full wipe them. Yo, come southeast. Why are you guys dying? Come southeast.
Coming to you.
Come southeast. It's fine. Come
Beanstalk coming.
southeast. Come southeast,
We
man.
can go out.
Come southeast, man. Def now. Yo, come southwest now. Southwest. Take space on the southwest. Take space on the southwest. Come southwest. We're fuck here. We need help. Come southwest. Heal each other. Spread on the southwest, okay? Hey, yo. Hold on me. I told you guys to watch the fucking. Yo, Def. Hold. Yo, hammer the gate. Yo, Def ready. Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On skips in now. Hit. Kill him. Okay, hold. Yo, hammer the gate, boys. Hammer the fucking gate, please.
Hey, gate.
Ditang watch them. Def now. Okay, hammer the gate. Don't do anything. Hammer the gate.
Most west, watch out.
It's fine. Yeah. Yo, bounce one. Yo, regear fast. We're gonna go southwest, okay? Come southwest.
Where's
Come southwest.
Western? Paplak
Come
ako.
southwest. Come west. Def. Heal up. Yo, I wait for regear. Come northwest. My BM good, right?
Western Paradise following. Yes.
Okay, come northwest. Come west. Are they not hitting each other?
No,
Unhold
they're
na lagi na
not.
loads. Unhold na lagi na loads.
Oh, nice.
They coming.
Overdoor,
It's
watch
fine.
out. Overdoor, watch out.
Wait.
Come
southwest.
Defense.
Come southwest.
Yes,
Hold
yes,
on.
hold on.
Yo, east side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on me now. And go back. Why we don't have damage? Come southwest. Def. Come southwest. Kite southwest. Def now. Kite southwest.
Bro, this fucking.
Overdoor, watch out.
Yo, how many DPS in party 2 right now? How many DPS? I don't have any damage at all.
DPS.
In party
We
3.
only have one. Phil Party.
Bom.
Yo, bam. Come southwest. We don't have DPS. I have like 3 DPS with me. Come west. Invite silicone, please. Can someone invite him? Come west. Come
Una pit
southwest.
party loads.
BM party.
Mounting chariot, mounting.
Come south. Okay, field party. Invite him. Brandon Kim. Like, make party. Come south. Yo, come south. They're hand holding. Come south.
Okay, chariot, I'm on top.
I need my DPS back, okay? I don't have enough DPS. Where you guys at? Where is Hans Rinda, Take Foxy, One Tops? Are you guys coming back?
There's southeast of the castle yung ano. Southeast of the castle yung...
Okay, come
Western.
southeast. Yo, I'm still missing DPS. How many DPS in party 2 now?
Fix roll,
Right
please.
now.
Fix roll if you're DPS.
Fix roll. Are they not fighting, really?
Western Northeast.
Unhold lang yun.
They're not fighting.
Inside, Kester.
Expected.
Yo, catch him notice. Hold. I'm still waiting for my DPS. Come southwest. My DPS, map check. Alliance shot. Tell me alliance shot. Come southwest.
Western East. East of Castle.
Are they really
Okay,
handholding?
watch na ako.
They're facing you. East.
Yo, careful of you. Western Party is coming to you, okay? Western
coming
Party is
there.
coming to you from the east.
Southeast of you.
Def ready. Yo, can someone kidnap skip? Say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skip now. Kill their caller.
He's not looking.
Yo, come southwest. Def. Come southwest. Kite southwest. We still don't have damage, bro. Where's my DPS? Come southwest.
Western, they're shallow on the east.
Yo, heal. Come southwest.
Oh, they literally handhold in castle.
Come southwest.
Invest bomb.
Yeah, I told you, come southwest. Def.
Oh.
Okay, my DPS, where you at? Map check. I'm just gonna leave if you guys are not gonna come back. I don't have any damage, like legit.
DPS yung meron ako dito.
Bluffs daw kay Bluffs.
Okay.
Si one top
wait.
lang nagsasa...
Hans Rinda and take Foxy, where you at? I don't have damage, guys. I need my DPS back. Ick. Oh my god.
2 maps away, friends. 2 maps away. Sige lang.
Bro, why are they not full pushing us if they're hand-holding?
Western Paradise is coming.
Come southwest, come southwest.
Fake.
Listen, come southwest. Leave the castle. I'm waiting for my DPS. Come south.
They're 100%.
Watch out, watch out.
Yo, come south. Come southwest.
Watch out,
Yo, come south.
Southwest, hello, Jumbo.
Hold here. 3, 2, 1, kill this guy, catch this guy, hello! You guys are fucking retard, man. Catch this guy. Catch, kill him. Yo, if you have E, drop E, 3, 2, 1, drop E. Can you catch? Hello, please?
Slow.
Catch him. Good. Come south. My DPS, map check.
Carpenter, Kuchibiak, yeah. Where are you guys DPS?
They're DPS, yes, they're DPS.
Ang dami daw gankers ko.
Reset muna.
So, do you guys need help or what? Mount up.
Wait.
Come southeast.
I'm resetting.
Walk with us. Hold first. Do you guys need help or what? My DPS.